Hi and welcome back to Spot On Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace vehicle battery in 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. This is gonna apply to Mitsubishi Outlanders made from 2011 and all the way up to 2019. First I'm gonna open the hood by pulling this hood lever. Once when the hood is open, you will have to locate your vehicle battery, and on this vehicle battery is located on the driver's side and it's right here. To complete this job and replace your main vehicle battery, you will have to use a 10mm socket and ratchet. As we can see here, we have a negative cable, we have positive cable, and we also have battery holder. So to remove all that, you can, like I said, use 10mm socket with ratchet. First, I'm gonna start with the battery holder. Removing this nut. And you can remove this battery holder completely out of the way. Next step is to remove negative cable from the battery. So usually negative cable is black in color and marked with minus. So removing negative first. Put it out of the way. And then remove positive cable. And now when everything is removed, I will just remove this old battery out. Before installing brand new battery, you want to check your cables, connections, and if they're like dirty, corroded or rusty, it's a good idea to clean them up. And now it's time to install your brand new battery into the battery tray. So you want to make sure that the negative pole is where is the negative cable of the battery, and positive pole where is positive cable of the battery. Now when the battery is nicely fitted into the battery tray, first you want to connect your positive cable to positive pole of the battery. And now I'm gonna tighten up this connection. Next step is to connect negative cable to the negative terminal. I'm gonna tighten up this side as well. And the last step is to put back this battery holder. Remember, down there you need a hook that rod on both sides. So you need to hook it up, and then just want to tighten it up on top. Now battery holder is nicely secured, battery is into the place, and job is completed. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.